Hey, what is up YouTube? My name is Kostub. You're watching Technobuff channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Realme's wireless neckband, or Realme's neckband. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. But first, let's roll the intro. This is the neckband that I have been using for more than a month now, and I know it's quite old. It's more than a year that Realme has launched this. Also, the Pro variant comes for around 3,500 rupees, but I purchased this one, and these are quite good. I will talk about it one by one with the pros and cons. So the first thing I want to talk about is the design and build quality. First thing is that this neckband feels very light. You can comfortably wear it on your neck and you don't feel very uncomfortable even if you put it on for long hours. This feels really comfortable on your ears. Second thing I want to talk about is the buttons, and buttons are not that clicky. As you guys can see, there are 3 buttons. There is no on off button, but obviously plus and minus will be to increase the volume and to decrease the volume respectively. And the middle one button, which has Realme logo on, so this Realme logo button acts as a play and pause button. Also it acts as a Google Assistant button, and also you can take up calls with this one. This has a single microphone, so calling is decent on this one. I would not say the best, but it's decent. Talking about the ear tips, they are well designed and which fits comfortably on your ears. The design looks really good, and overall the look and feel is really nice. This rubberized material is not heavy on your shoulders, and this color you might some might like, some might not like, but I like it. It looks like a taxi color, but yeah, it's pretty good, and it's quite unique. People usually notice it that you are wearing a neckband. So yeah, that's about it. That's about the design and build quality. On the one thing I forgot to mention, that on the left side you don't get anything but only the Realme branding. That's about the design and build quality. It's quite good quality neckband in terms of design and build. Now next thing I want to talk about is the sound quality. And I must say that in this price segment the sound quality is the best, and if you are a bass lover, I would definitely recommend this to you all, because it's the best in the segment. And I mean the bass, you can feel the bass clearly. I used to use Boat Rockers 255, and I could clearly see the difference, and I don't regret buying this one, because also the vocals and trebles are very good. I would say vocals are very much clear. I didn't expect this, because this is a bass centric earphone. So considering that, these are really good. The highs, sometimes I felt that it is going out of the like band, but overall it's really decent. Sound quality is really good. I am pretty much happy with the sound quality. The next thing I want to talk about is the battery life. And battery life is, I would say, more than what I expected. They say that it is 12 hours, and I think easily you can get 10 to 11 hours. I feel like this battery will get over, but it keeps on running. So this is a very good job that Realme has done, and it takes around 1.5 hours to charge the battery fully. So that's about the battery and charging. The last thing I want to talk about is the price. Now it sells at 1,800 rupees, and in the MRP, in the sale and all, you get it for 1,500. So around that price, truly value for money. So if you are a bass lover, also vocals are decent, so you can definitely go and buy this one. You'll definitely love this. The one con that I found, and that is always there with Realme, is that you cannot skip on to the next track, or you cannot go back to the previous track with this plus and minus button. So Realme, why are you doing this? I mean, if you have a playlist and if you want to skip on to the next track, like, you have to go on the phone. Though you have a Bluetooth earphone, you have to go on the phone and you have to change it manually on the phone. So that is a negative. Another negative I found is that the micro USB port that they have provided. Come on, Realme. This is a Bluetooth earphones worth 2,000 rupees, around 2,000, and you should have provided Type C. These are the two cons that I found on the Realme Snack Band. Apart from them, good battery life, good sound quality, easy to pair, and connectivity is really good because it is Bluetooth 5.0, and overall pretty much happy with the neck band because it doesn't feel uncomfortable on the neck, and also the sound quality is really good. So that's my experience of using the Realme's wireless earphones. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can drop it in the comment section below. I know it's been a while that I've dropped a video on this channel, so it's been more than a month, almost 2 months. So I would be apologizing for that, but yeah, I'll keep posting videos whenever I get time. So that's pretty much it in this video. I hope you like this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. So this with that said, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, it's goodbye from Technobuff. Take care.